So, my name is Rishabh
Hello.
Johary. Hello.
Yes, you're audible. So, hello everyone. Welcome to Shaw
Okay.
Developer Community's Seasons of Agents series. So, today we are really excited to dive into the world of AI agents with Rishabh Johary, who is an chief analyst at EVM Capital. So, over to you, Rishabh.
Thank you for the introduction, Devansh. My name is Rishabh Johary. I'm a first year student at NIT Rourkela and I am a chief analyst at EVM Capital. So, today we'll be talking about what is an AI agent. AI agents are the tools we use to interact with AI. They can automate and perform complex tasks such as natural language processing that would normally require humans. So, basically, AI agents are something which help us in interacting with AI. They can basically automate or like do every repetitive task using natural language processing, which is a new thing compared to when we used to code. Now, an AI agent is a software component that has the agency to act on behalf of a user or a system to perform tasks. Users can organize agents into systems that can orchestrate complex workflow, coordinate activities among multiple agents, apply logic to thorny problems, and evaluate answers to a user's query. So, AI agent softwares have components that agencies can benefit from, especially performing tasks and solving lots of problems. If you ever interact with a customer service chatbot or ask a Gen AI model to write you a sonnet, then you're likely already familiar with a rudimentary version of AI agents. And if you have noticed improvement in Gen AI performance since it went mainstream with ChatGPT, you're not wrong. While versions of AI agents have existed for years, natural language processing capability of today's Gen AI have unleashed a host of new possibilities, which are enabling systems of agents to plan, collaborate, and complete tasks, and even learn to improve their own performance. As agents become more accurate, companies can increasingly use them to automate organizational processes and help make employees' day-to-day work more efficient. Now, since chatbots have become way more efficient, and especially due to the unleash of natural language processing, there's more scope in Gen AI models in day-to-day activity, and this is very good for employees for their efficiency in the workplace. The development of Gen AI has been extremely fast, says McKinsey's senior partner Larry Hamlin. Today's the joint human plus machine outcome can generate great quality and great productivity. Recent development in short and long-term memory structure have enabled these agents to better personalize interaction with both external and internal users, which means the agents are quickly getting better at whatever they are asked to do. So, due to machine learning and due to fast learning tracks, many of these agents have become way faster in understanding the knowledge and making better stuff through the way. Looking ahead, they're about to get even better. Put simply, AI agents are moving from thought to action in the past 18 months. Google, Microsoft, OpenAI, and others have invested in software, libraries, and frameworks to support agentic functionality. And with applications such as Microsoft Copilot, Amazon Q, and Google upcoming projects Astra, which are powered by large language models (LLMs), agents are making a shift from knowledge-based tools to ones that are more action-based. In the near future, agents could become commonplace as mobile applications are today. So basically, AI agents has a lot of scope, and all the big companies are all for it. And there has been a lot of development in software libraries and frameworks to support agentic functionalities. Since lots of companies are adopting uh, AI agents, and it's getting widespread. It has a better score. It has a very good scope in becoming widespread. And with applications such as Microsoft Copilot and Google's upcoming project Astra, they have LLMs which are powering them. And this is making a shift in the whole workspace that instead of knowledge based tools, we are going towards action based, which can just execute tasks better off than having tools which can just have knowledge. So this is the future for which is this is the future. Agents can be organized by their capabilities, roles, skills, and the outcomes they are trained to deliver. Here's a non-exhaustive list of some of the agents being created today. Of course, there are way more agents and there are way more possibilities, but these are the ones which the companies are focusing right now. And these agents serve as co-pilots for individual users, which with the intention of augmenting the person's productivity and capabilities. Copilot agents such as Microsoft's 365 Copilot and OpenAI ChatGPT can assist with drafting content, writing code, or retrieving knowledge. In some cases, Copilot agents can act as smart assistants that assist users in creating content, writing code, or retrieving knowledge. This type of agents focuses on automating single or multi-step tasks or smaller workflows, serving as an AI-powered process orchestrator and executor for existing workflow. Examples of this type of agents include Microsoft Copilot Studio and Salesforce Agentforce, currently in development. Because these agents are, for the most part, applied to existing processes, success will rely on heavy efforts in implementation, change management, and agent management. Now, in this, both are basically individual augmentation and workflow automation. Both are dependent on the management and implementation of the agents. Gen AI, native agents for domain solutions. These agents are purpose-built solutions for specific business domains or functions. Examples include AI-driven customer service systems or AI-enabled software development pipelines. Gen AI native agents reimagine a particular domain with AI at the core of the solution rather than traditional AI agents, which is a layer AI onto existing roles or workflows. Now, having an AI layer over the core AI is a cool idea compared to having a traditional AI agent. AI native enterprises and operating models. These agents are woven throughout the enterprise. Operating models instead of being applied to individual workflow or functions. In these cases, a company undergoes an end-to-end AI first redesign where the interaction layer, processes, organizational structures, and even the business model are reimagined. Organizations experience changes of this magnitude when they first underwent digital transformation, and the same is likely to happen with AI. So, AI native enterprise and operation model is a brilliant idea, and there's a lot of scope in the AI agent industry. Now, let's talk about AI virtual workers. AI virtual workers are agents that function as employees or team members and represent the most potential disruptive category of agents. These virtual workers could enable companies to sidestep full organizational transformation by allowing AI to operate within the company's current model, which might help capture value more quickly. So this is one of the biggest reason how we are going from human tech to AI tech in the near future, where we'll have AI employees over human employees, and that's very beneficial for lots of companies. These AI agents are not mutually exclusive. Many organizations will pursue a mix, for instance, rolling out personal AI co-pilots for automating select workflows and piloting a few virtual workers. So yeah, there's a possibility of mixing different AI tools and making a better and more functionally personalized tool for a specific company. Now, how do AI agents work? AI agents can support highly complex and ambiguous use cases across industries and business functions. They can use tools designed for humans like web browser as well as tools designed for computers such as an API. The ability to do both gives AI agent the flexibility to operate across technology architectures inside and outside of an organization without requiring significant modification to those architects. The process by which an AI agent works generally follows four steps. Exhibit 1. A user gives the agent system a task. AI agent works autonomously to plan and derive how to achieve the task. Agent system plan allocates and executes work. An AI agent system breaks down a workflow into tasks and subtasks, which a manager agent assigns to other specialized sub agents. These specialized agents coordinate with one another and use both organizational and external data to execute assignments. Agent system may iteratively improve output. The agent system may request additional user input to ensure accuracy and relevance. Once the final output is delivered, the agent system may request feedback from the user. Agent execution action: the agent executes any necessary action to fully complete the task. So, this is how agents enabled by generative AI soon will function. This is the exhibit one, which we discussed here, and this is how it works. There's a manager agent, analyst agent, checkers agent, planners agent, and these all work together in this format. So you can see using natural language, the user's prompt, then generative AI agent systems to complete a task. Now the agent system interprets the prompt and builds a work plan. Manager agents subdivides the project into tasks assigned to specialized agents. Then they gather the information and analyze data from multiple sources and collaborate with one another to execute their individual missions. Then the agent's team share the draft output with the users, and the agent team receives your users' feedback. They interact and redefine output accordingly. Any deployment of AI agents should include a range of controls, construct feedback loops, for example, allow agents to review and refine their work. AI agents can also be programmed to teach themselves to solve problems, to escalate them to a human manager. Agents also can work better together. A critic specialized agent can review a plan created by a creator agent and ask for iteration, which can result in better outputs. Some AI agents can even ask managers direct questions. Organizations can also develop specialized agents to automatically test and correct the output of other agents based on ethical and bias concerns. How are AI agents related to LLMs? AI agents work with different AI models to accomplish tasks. When used to communicate with humans, AI agents work with LLMs that are equipped with natural language processing capabilities. Take the example of a self-driving car which runs on series of agents that work with various AI models. The AI agents in change of understanding where a user wants to go might use an LLM. How might AI agents affect business growth? So, according to McKinsey, the estimated growth, long-term growth, enterprises use cases of Gen AI could possibly create up to $4.4 trillion worth of economy. However, organizations won't be able to turn the potential into business growth and higher productivity unless they can quickly implement AI to reimagine and transform how work is done. AI agents can help managers identify opportunities to automate mine that mountain of value beyond the automation of common work tasks. McKinsey forecasts that organizations could deploy AI agents to help reimagine processes and modernize their IT infrastructure. This could include everything from switching to easier to use programming languages and transitioning to modern frameworks that provide more functionality to restructure systems so they're more modular and migration application migration friendly. Tech leaders can use multiple specialized agents, each with a distinct and expertise to collaborate on complex tasks and iterate in real life with feedback from humans. The real value through though will come from orchestrating agents to complete discrete tasks as well as entire software development processes. Some industries are also deploying AI agents regularly. Customer service bots, for instance, have become the rigor or on many customer facing websites. According to McKinsey research on Gen AI economical potential, organizations use Gen AI enabled customer service agents increase issue resolution by 14% per hour, reduces time handling issues by 9%. Over time, says McKinsey senior partner George Amar, I expect to see Gen AI agents improve customer service satisfaction and generate revenue. They will be critical in selling new services or addressing broader needs. This will open up a wider array of customer experience options for companies such as offering more high-tech interactions with human agents as a premium service. More generally, Gen AI enabled agents can potentially ease the automation of complex uses of use cases. And there are three important ways. AI agents can more easily manage less predictable situations. So, rule-based systems tend to break down when they face situations like a rule does not does the designer didn't anticipate. So, Gen AI agent systems, by contrast, can handle a wide variety of scenarios for a given use case because they're built using foundation models which have been trained on large unstructured data sets. Gen AI agents can adapt in real time and real world problems in different scenarios and perform specialized tasks. Now, when we talk about agent systems, can be described it with natural language. Natural language processing can allow users to encode complex workflow more quickly and easily than ever before. Gen AI agents uh, Gen AI agents coded with natural language processing can enable a wider range of workers to envision and use AI tools to achieve outcomes without needing to specifically program or orchestrate a large IT project. Agents can work with existing software tools and platforms. Gen AI agents run on foundation models which allow the agents to use tools and communicate across a broader range. A broader digital ecosystem. Without foundation models, these capabilities would require extensive manual efforts to interact systems or to collate the outputs from different systems. Agents can significantly reduce the amount of work and rework required to integrate across systems. What's more, according to McKinsey partner Aaron Baum, agents capability can compound in reaction to their environments. When they work together, they can develop unexpected behaviors and skills that are not explicitly programmed, equally greater than the sum of their parts. This is what known an emergent AI. What's a real example of a company working with AI agent? So Lenovo, the Chinese technological company, has deployed AI agents in two main areas of its business: software engineering and support. Software engineering at the company are already seeing up to 15% improvement, says Arthur Hu, Chief Technological Officer of Lenovo Solution and Service Group. The company's CEO and head of strategy, Linda Yao, adds that the customer service side has seen doable double-digit productivity gain in call handling time. To date, Lenovo has refined Gen AI to act as a virtual assistant. In the future, Yao envisions AI agent acting as deputies to humans deployed to complete tasks independently. What are some other enterprise use cases for AI agents? So here are three hypothetical uses of AI agents. So, loan underwriting. An AI system with multiple specialized agents could handle a wide range of credit risk scenarios. In the past, this has typically been a time consuming and highly collaborative process that involves compiling, analyzing, and reviewing various pieces of information related to the borrower, loan type, and other variables. which can be directly done by an AI agent. Code development and modernization. Legacy software application that systems at large enterprises often pose security risk and can slow the pace of business innovation. AI agents could help streamline the process of modernizing these systems. For example, a company could deploy one specialized agent as a legacy software expert to analyze old code while another, a quick assurance agent, could critique the documentation and iteratively refine the AI output to ensure accuracy and adherence to organizational standards. Online marketing campaigns. Designing, launching, and running an online marketing campaign can be a complex, multi layered process involving many different people. A single AI agent system could develop inputs from a company's marketing professionals, strategies, and copy, while design agents could build tailored content of AI agents. Building trust is a big hurdle in adopting AI agents. We find that customers across all ages, even Gen Z, still prefer live phone conversation first. For customer help and support, says McKinsey next. One bank, he continues, address this by creating an architect that checks for error or hallucinations from an AI agent before an answer is shared with the customer, thereby reducing the number of incorrect responses and building trust. The companies that derive the most value from AI, says McKinsey partner Roger Roberts, will be those that create trust with their customer, employees, and stakeholders. People must trust AI enough to hand over tasks. Companies' ethics decisions must be rooted in the value unique to each organization and the value of the society that places human at the center of the AI ecosystem. Another challenge according to McKinsey's senior partner Amar, will be change management as organizations scale AI agents. It's much broader than simply rolling out a new set of tools, he says. Companies are going to need to rewire how functions work so they can get the full value from Gen AI agents. Part of this rewiring includes the adoption of new technologies as well as tweaks to existing ones so that they work better with tool-based or machine learning and Gen AI. Organizations should also adjust their operating models, support small teams that are working iteratively on new services. What's more, leaders should create incentives that help workers learn how to use and trust the new tools. Finally, data protection is a major concern for leaders when it comes to deploying AI agents, says McKinsey partner Barcom. Companies that are pursuing an AI agent program should carefully implement the proper control for security, operations, and data. These are many evolving approaches and solutions, both off the shelf and being organizations run their technology program. McKinsey that communicate with one another, as well as with humans and outside programs to achieve a common goal. Here are three ways that the tech leaders could deploy agents within their current environment. Super platforms. These are the next generation of third-party business applications such as collaborative tools or customer CRM programs that include built-in Gen AI. A user could deploy a CRM super platform, for example, to run a sales report while automatically communicating with the custom company's analytic tool. In the past, this would have required use case specific programming, but now we don't. AI wrappers. These tools could provide AI wrappers. These tools could provide Tools allow services via APIs. A bank, for example, could build a Gen AI enabled wrapper around an internally developed AI-driven credit risk model. The AI wrapper could then initiate actions such as asking a vendor's LLM to generate risk factor based on customer data and credit scores. Custom AI agent employees can develop custom Gen AI enabled agents by fine-tuning a pre-trained LLM or accessing a platform-based apps, AI wrappers, plus third-party and customer built-in-house customer AI agents. Now, what steps can organizations take to implement AI agents? So, closely review any tech proposal that has a long timeline and required many people. This means reviewing all large proposals to determine how Gen AI could reduce cost and shorten timeline. Leaders should be particularly skeptical of proposals that are that are incorporated in Gen AI capabilities, which may be limited on ancillary in terms of the value potential. Focus on the biggest problems. So small scale initiatives generally lead to small scale outcomes. So companies need to focus on larger scale problems. So some companies would do well to identify the largest and most complex tech problems, the ones that are very expensive with multi-year timeline and are responsible for serious technical debt, and focus their use of Gen AI on solving them. Get ahead of the of the talent, technology, and operating model implant for the business program and reevaluating their operating and capital expenditure. The evolution of AI agent is only just beginning, with many learning and discoveries still to come. Much of the work in the field of AI agents is moving out of the lab to full scale. AI agents offer new capabilities to help reimagine the way that people work across of all the industries and sectors. So here we come the end. We come to the end of the session, and these are the articles referred if you wish to look into it. So, thank you everyone for this opportunity and the topic we chose AI agents. And I think AI agents is a very useful thing, and we are going to see a lot of development in the future. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you so much, Rishabh, for that wonderful session on briefing about AI agents and why you should care about them. Uh, Thank you so much, and thank you so much to everyone joining us today and for this Azure Developer Community Seasons of Agents session. And we hope to see you in the future events. See you.